It's been an interesting year. It's been a hugely disruptive year, and it's fair to say business everywhere is thinking about digital as the primary channel for customer engagement. So for this ADGM Innovation Challenge, we're really interested to explore this concept of banking everywhere. To explore this opportunity further and to better understand the potential of fintech in this space, we gathered a team of experts from across the bank. Our colleagues from personal banking, our colleagues from compliance, from fraud risk, and from the Fabric Innovation Lab.
At FAB, we're always building new capabilities, forging partnerships with fintechs, and investing in innovation because of the rapidly evolving digital banking ecosystem. The challenges of COVID-19 has provided us with an opportunity to reimagine, pivot, and execute new ideas at speed. We are constantly enabling and delivering digital banking services and offerings to our customers, wherever they are, to suit their changing lifestyle needs. Our problem statement for the 2020 ADGM Innovation Challenge relates to our customer-first value in providing world-class experiences for our customers. We asked fintechs, how might we enable a completely digital customer journey from onboarding to transactions to servicing, whilst at the same time minimizing face-to-face client interactions and reducing the risk of fraud and money laundering. Additionally, how might we do this without compromising on convenience and security for our customers and really maintaining best practice standards, ensuring regulatory and compliance requirements are met? Furthermore, how can we continue to grow the personal relationship with our customers as they transition seamlessly and comfortably to mobile and internet banking channels that work for them and their lifestyle?
This year, we're excited to be a corporate sponsor of the ADGM Innovation Challenge. It's fun to see unique solutions brought forward from all over the world to solve our complex ask.
Today, I would like to introduce you to Uqudo, a homegrown company who are familiar with UAE-specific demands, regulations, risks, and latest technological platforms.
At Uqudo, we have been helping government agencies, financial services, telco, and health providers to fast-track digital transformation by addressing one of the underlying challenges, which is identity. COVID-19 has accelerated this transformation with the demand for mobile-first, social distancing, and serving customer instantly. Customers, they don't want to fill forms, upload documents, and wait for days to get a service that they requested. They want it now, and so do we. We want to be able to get that product or service straight away. We are calling it at Uqudo the paperless, formless, frictionless user experience. When you begin your journey to open a bank account, the first step you need to do is to scan Emirates ID front and back, and from there, which is extremely important, you will need to tap the Emirates ID on the phone to read the NFC data from the chip and validate the authenticity. Once you've done that, then you can do the same thing with the passport. So there are currently around 140 countries around the world where we can actually read the data from the passport and validate it using the NFC chip. Then after that, we do the facial recognition to make sure it is a real person and it is the person that we've onboarded the document.
The problem statement is also about having inherent controls in place to further reduce the risk of fraud, money laundering, and sanctions without compromising on customer convenience and security during the digital journey.
This is not about collecting data digitally. We've been doing this for decades. This is about collect and verify. So when we onboard the passport, when we onboard the Emirates ID, we're actually extracting the data and then verifying using the biometric chip. It's the same verification, that you do when you're at the airport. That gives us the personal details, passport details, national ID details, employment details, contact details, all of the information that we need to understand our customer and to do the KYC, the Know Your Customer process.
In our challenge statement, we emphasized how important it is to grow and develop our personal relationship with our customers. This means being able to communicate and work with someone you trust in a secure environment with a focus on customer value, not paperwork. Within all of this, one of our goals is to ultimately make sure that paperwork is invisible. Based on the vast amount of data we have, this positions our FAB employees to perfectly offer personalized offerings and services to our customers.
The data which we collect helps our RMs without having the need to ask customers for additional documents or information to offer them products and services which would meet their requirements perfectly.
Our partnership with ADGM for this innovation challenge is not only a great way for us to work together with fintechs and the fintech community and regulators, it's an opportunity for us to deliver on our commitments to our customer. Our customers are at the heart of everything we do at FAB. We are customer obsessed. Being customer first is a movement at FAB. It's part of the culture here in the bank. And these relationships with fintechs, with regulators, and being part of the ADGM Digital Lab will enable us to deliver and serve our customers more efficiently moving forward.